Sitting there and the dog was acting funny. I'm thinking, what is going on with her? I was like, she's not in trouble, she hasn't done nothing wrong, but right now, she's been shaking. I'm thinking, why is she shaking? It's not cold in here. I didn't know what was wrong with her. And then all of a sudden, across the TV, it said, severe thunderstorm warning and could have damaging hail. Well, luckily that was going to be 20 miles from us. So all of a sudden I hear heavy rain and thunder and lightning. So now I know why the dog was acting funny. Well, we're getting rain, but it's not too heavy yet. Heard a couple roll of things of thunder. It's not that close. It's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it feels good. That's its matter. Dog's out there whining. But I don't see anything yet. Like I said, I heard a couple things of thunder and the rain, of course, but I actually think the rain has slowed down a little bit since the last 10 minutes. The rain's coming in the window. You probably couldn't barely hear it. A little roll of thunder. Here in northern New York, we call this thunder snow. Nothing exciting happening yet. When there is, I'll turn you back on and get use some footage.